In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to put an icon image in ClickFunnels 2.0. We're going to walk through this slowly so you can follow along directly in your own account as you watch. By the end, you'll know how to add an icon to your page and place text neatly beside it, which is great for feature lists, benefit sections, or callouts on your funnels. First, make sure you're on the page where you want the icon to appear and open that page in the ClickFunnels 2.0 page editor. Once the editor loads, you'll see the usual layout with sections, rows, and elements. Start by deciding where on the page you want your icon. If you don't already have a section there, create a new one. Hover your mouse over the area, click to add a section, and choose the size or type that best fits your design. This section is basically the container for everything you're about to add. Inside that new section, add a row. Think of the row as the structure that will hold your elements in place. Click to add a row, then choose a simple one-column layout for now. You can always adjust it later if you want something more complex. Next, inside that row, click the orange plus or Add New Element button. This opens the Elements panel where you can choose what you want to insert. Look for the Content category, and from there, select the icon element. Once you click it, the icon will appear inside your row and section. At this point, you can usually click on the icon to change its style, size, color, or the specific icon graphic depending on the options available in your editor. Now let's set things up so you can place text beside your icon instead of above or below it. To do this neatly, you'll want to use a flex container. A flex container is simply a layout tool that lets elements sit side by side and stay aligned, even on different screen sizes. Create a flex container in the area where you'd like the icon and text to appear together. Inside that flex container, add your icon element in one part of the flex. Then, in another part of the same flex container, add a text or headline element. This will position the icon on one side and the text on the other, giving you a clean, professional look. From there, you can fine-tune spacing, alignment, and font styling so everything matches the rest of your funnel design.